Hello, very good evening. Myself, Soumya Ranjan Panda. Today I have attended the session of Mr. Aditya, which was on research work using AI, and it was absolutely a mind blowing session given by him. I learned a lot of things from this session, especially understanding Indian defense system associated with cybersecurity, how to write blogs on Indian defense and cybersecurity, how to use the library Genesis application in the web and download books, preferred books from there, and research using AI too. So it was overall a great session given by Aditya. The session have concluded with a lot of knowledge to me, and in the coming future love to learn a lot of things from him and his team members. So overall it was a wonderful session given by him. Thanks for the day, and thanks for everything they've said to us. So thank you.